guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be using this palette from BH Cosmetics. It's called the Weekend Festival, and the first color that I'm going to grab is called Pelosa, and I'm using this into my crease. This is going to be our transition color, and I'm just using a fluffy brush. This is a brush that I had for many years, but I know Wet n Wild sells a very similar one. So like I said, this is going to be our transition color, so you want to take your time and blending it out. Then I'm going to go ahead and jump into the color Trace. This is going to be like our main color. It's a very shimmery blue shade. I'm actually thinking it might be a dupe for the Mario and KKW Beauty. But I did order it, so I will let you guys know if it's a dupe or not. So I did pack it up in my lid, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it into my crease. Very simple look, but blending is key. So since we did blend a lot, I did lose a lot of the colors. So I'm going back and just building that blue shadow in my lid, and I'll go back and blend it out. Basically, that's the main key right here, packing and blending. It's mostly like the same technique for any smoky eye, but the blue, it is shimmery, so it's a little bit difficult to blend it into the crease. But no worries, as long as you guys are blending, you guys will figure it out. Then I am going to go ahead and do the other guys, same techniques, packing the color and then dragging into the crease. So I did want to do something different for my inner part of my eye, and I got the color Ultimate. So this is a like a light blue, kind of like teal color, and I'm putting that in the inner part of my eye. And I am going back with the color Trace and just smudging it in the bottom lash line. This looks a little painful, but it's not. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend that into the crease and kind of connect all the eye look together. And I'm going back into the Ultimate Shadow, the teal one, just to give it a little bit more dimension, to pack it more, just because with all the blending, I did lose some of the pigment. This look took me a while to blend. It's a little difficult to blend blue shadows. At least these ones were a little bit difficult. And obviously, like when I was blending, the pigmentation was like coming off. So I did take my time, even though I'm speeding up. Just know that I do take my time when, you know, doing my eyes. Then for foundation, you guys already know my Wet n Wild foundation. I'm so stoked, guys. This foundation was on sale this whole week at Ulta for like $3. So I got like four foundations. I got like my shade right now in a darker shade just for summer. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply concealer, and then I'm blending everything out with my beauty blender. Honestly, I got this beauty blender in the PR package, and I cannot stress enough, beauty blenders are the best thing to put in, like to use for your foundation. Then I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye area, and I'm using my Airspun. So I am packing my under eye area with powder. This is called baking. I'm pretty sure you guys already know. I love baking. It just makes my foundation look super flawless. And sorry, I got a text. Anyways, the foundation just looks super flawless with this powder, and I'm using my bronzer. This is my NYX bronzer. I'm so sad this is discontinued. I forgot how beautiful this bronzer is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up, blend it into my cheeks, forehead, and my jawline, and a little bit on my nose as well. So then I'm gonna go ahead and carve out my cheekbones with the same Airspun powder. And then I don't really do this, but sometimes I like a little bit more dramatic look, so I'll do this. This will make your face look super slim. And I'm going back to the side of my nose because that's gonna make my nose look very slim. So for highlight, I'm using the Dose of Colors highlight and Fuego, and I am spraying it with my Pixie makeup mist. And you guys just look at this highlight. I can't get over it. I already hit pan. I own so many highlights, and this is probably like my favorite highlight of all time. For lashes, I'm using Pro Lashes. I will link down the name in the description box for you guys once I figure out the name for them. But these lashes are so comfortable, very natural but yet dramatic. They're some of my favorites. I did leave this part because I was struggling, and I just want to show you guys that I still struggle with makeup, and especially putting my lashes, so don't worry. For lip gloss, I'm using the Fenty Gloss, and yeah, this is pretty much the look. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys on my next video.